It's gonna be May. And you know what that means? Fried chicken time. And we all know megastar Justin Timberlake loves his fried chicken. He says Gus's has the best. But Justin, if you could taste my fried chicken, it just might change your mind. So let's get cooking. Start with one whole bird, cut up into pieces, legs, thighs, wings, and...
All right, let's get busy on this fried chicken. You know, Justin loves fried chicken, being from the South. He's a big fan of Gus's. I've had Gus's in Hollywood and out here in Vegas. Really good chicken, but I gotta say, I like mine better. So, I went to the butcher block here in Las Vegas, bought a chicken, and had Ron, the owner, cut it down for me into pieces. He can do it in about a minute and a half. It would take me about probably 10 minutes to get it done properly. So he's going to break it down into 2 breasts, 2 thighs, 2 legs, and 2 wings. And we'll take that home, and we're going to work on our dry marinade. And for that, we're going to go with a 1/4 cup of granulated garlic, 1/4 cup of granulated onion, about a tablespoon of white pepper. There we go. And about a tablespoon of black pepper. There we go. We'll get in there and we'll mix that up real good. And then we're just going to take each piece of chicken, drop it into that bowl, make sure it's covered in seasoning all over because we want a lot of flavor with this chicken. Then we're going to put it onto a rack on a cookie sheet. And once we get all the chicken coated in the seasoning and on the rack, we're going to pop it into the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Overnight, if you have time, is better, but you got to do it at least 4 hours to let that skin dry. That's the key to crispiness. So you can see right there, everything's coated nicely. In the fridge it goes. Now, about 30 minutes before we're ready to start our fry, we're going to make our batter. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And we're going to go with 1.5 cups of cornstarch. And 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Gonna go with some fresh ground black pepper, some cayenne pepper, and some salt. And I'm using my KitchenAid. If you don't have a KitchenAid, you can just get your hand whisk, but this makes it so much easier and faster. So we're gonna add about 1.25 cups of fresh water. You may have to add more water as you're going or less. It's up to you. I like my batter to be not too thick but not too runny. Kind of enough for when you go lift the chicken up, you got to hold it for 30 seconds or so to drain all the batter off before you put it into the fryer. Just like that. So I've got my deep fryer out and I've got the temperature set to 340 degrees. And we're just going to dunk our thigh in, just like that, and do the next one. Let it get any excess off, and pop it on in there. And these are going to fry for about 12 to 13 minutes, or until you reach an internal temperature of 165. Then pull them out, put them onto another rack with some paper towel to drain, and you have got an amazing, crispy, coating fried chicken that is just loaded with flavor. I'm telling you, this fried chicken, I'll put it up against anybody. That's how good it is. Hey, if you get a chance, make this chicken. You're going to love it. And if you see Mr. Timberlake, tell him to stop on by and try my chicken. I might be able to turn him against Gus's. All right. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
It's gonna be May. And you know what that means? Fried chicken time. And we all know megastar Justin Timberlake loves his fried chicken. He says Gus's has the best. But Justin, if you could taste my fried chicken, it just might change your mind. So let's get cooking. Start with one whole bird, cut up into pieces, legs, thighs, wings, and that breast. Now we're gonna hit it with the dry marinade, granulated garlic, granulated onion, white pepper and salt. Mix it up nice and coat that chicken on all.